So guess what? Right now, we just checked into the Disneyland hotel because we are going to be staying here for one night to celebrate our anniversary. And they said our room is ready. So we are staying at the Disneyland Resort here in Anaheim at the Adventureland Tower. And we're about to head into our room right now. We're taking you guys with us. So right now we are in our room and we are going to give you guys a little tour of the room. So right here is the grand entrance and we have these little tags to put on that says the room is occupied. So we make sure to let them know that we're here. But once you walk in, to the right over here, your left, we have a closet. And inside this closet they have an extra blanket and sheet because we need extra, doesn't matter. But we also have an iron in here, and look, you guys, we have Disneyland robes that we're gonna be wearing for sure, all the time. But they also have a safe in here and a spot to put your luggage. And then, if you come this way, we have some art based off of the Disneyland Resort. They have a bunch of stuff from all over. And if you come over here, oh my gosh. So in here is the bathroom. So we have our sink and our mirror. And then we have our lamps here that are held by Mickey's gloves. And they have little hidden Mickeys on it. And of course it comes with the hair dryer and shower caps, H2O Plus Beauty, lotions, body wash, shampoo. And then come here, we have a full body mirror all the way up and down. And then we also have a nice good sized bathtub in here along with the toilet and some artwork and plenty of towels to use. And if you guys look at the carpet, there's hidden Mickeys on here. And now the best part of the room is the bed. Now you guys, this bed, I'm gonna cry because this bed is magic, okay? So this is gonna be the last thing I show you about this bed. So over here, we have a TV. We have some drawers for us to use if we need to. We have some coffee, decaf tea, little coffee maker for us to use, along with some glasses and a bucket for ice that we are definitely gonna fill. Down here we got our own little mini refrigerator, perfect size, not staying long, so it's perfect. And it's hidden, so you'll never know it's there. And then don't mind us up, but this is a little desk area. You could come write little notes on here, plug your phones in. If you want to order room service, it's all in here. And then this is our view, which isn't too bad actually, because I've heard people have had views of parking lots. We have like a jungle out here, which is not bad, and that means there's plenty of shade. So we can't complain. And then we got a nice little chair over here to hang out in with a nice little light in case you want to read a book or something. And then on each side, there's a little table for you with a drawer, little lights and stuff. But I'm gonna mute. We're gonna mute the TV because you guys, this bed plays music by pushing this little button that's over here. There's two buttons on this lamp. And so I'm gonna press it. Oh! legit crying. Oh my god. So, as you can see, it lights up with the fireworks. It has Sleeping Beauty's castle right here, and it lights up with fireworks. And if you can hear it, it has like a music box singing "A Dream Is a Wish Your Heart Makes" when you're fast asleep. You guys, I've been waiting my whole life for this moment, and it finally came. So that is a little bit of our room. Thank you guys for coming. We're not leaving. We're staying here all night. So good night, everybody. Ordered this, and guess what it's called? This is called the poo poo platter, and it comes with green beans fried, chili garlic edamame, wontons, and some wings. We got our cherry vanilla cane sugar soda and the water. We're ready to dig in. All right, you guys, the time has come for us to say goodbye. But for one last time, do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Okay. One last time, we say goodbye to our family. Headboard. You guys, it's amazing. Bye-bye. We'll be back soon. We will be back again. Trust me. Thank you guys so much. Bye.